Hi everyone. So I know that Google Meet has been not cooperating when you're trying to switch tabs when you're presenting your screen, and I found an easy fix for it. So what you're going to do is you're going to open Google Chrome. You're going to click on the three dots to the right over here, and you're going to scroll down to where it says Help, and you're going to click on About Google Chrome, and you'll see that it's checking for updates. If you are not running version 88, then this is the reason why when you present and you switch tabs, your presentation is stopping. Once I automatically updated and then relaunched Google Chrome, so I clicked out of Google Chrome altogether and then opened it again. It is now working the way it's supposed to, and when you switch tabs while you're in Google Meet in presentation mode, you can switch to the next tab easily. So I hope this solves the problem for you. It's been driving me crazy since last week, and that's it. Have a great day, everyone.